In today's digital world, businesses seek innovative solutions to streamline operations and maximize revenue. OnPassive, an AI technology company, empowers businesses with autonomous SaaS products designed to automate and optimize key processes. Founded in 2018 by visionary entrepreneur Ash Mufareh, OnPassive has rapidly gained global recognition for its cutting-edge technology. Headquartered in the iconic Burj Khalifa, Dubai, OnPassive has a global presence with offices in the US, India, Singapore, Bangladesh, and Egypt. OnPassive's mission is to empower businesses of all sizes with tools and resources to succeed in today's competitive market. The company's AI-powered platform provides solutions to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and drive revenue growth. With its dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction, OnPassive is transforming how businesses operate in the digital age. Before we continue, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. OnPassive's suite of AI-powered tools addresses the diverse needs of businesses across various industries. These tools integrate seamlessly, providing a comprehensive solution that streamlines operations and maximizes efficiency. One flagship product is Omail, an AI-powered email marketing platform that revolutionizes how businesses connect with their audience. Omail segments email lists, personalizes content, and optimizes delivery times, ensuring messages reach the right people at the right time. OnPassive also offers Onet, a social networking platform, and Otrim, a URL shortening service for tracking clicks and analyzing traffic data. OCreate empowers users to create stunning mobile responsive websites without coding experience. OnPassive's commitment to comprehensive solutions extends to domain registration, project management, and high-definition audio and video conferencing, plus many more to come in the future. OnPassive's AI-powered tools are designed to actively generate income for businesses. The platform optimizes marketing campaigns, streamlines sales funnels, and drives targeted traffic, resulting in increased leads and revenue. OnPassive's sophisticated traffic generation engine targets the most qualified leads, ensuring businesses reach the right audience. This targeted approach maximizes return on investment for businesses. The AI-powered tools automate the sales process, nurturing leads and increasing conversion rates. By automating email sequences and follow-up reminders, OnPassive ensures no opportunity is missed. OnPassive's affiliate program provides an additional avenue for income generation. It will empower individuals to become affiliates and earn residual income by promoting the platform's products and services. Embracing OnPassive offers benefits beyond automating tasks and generating income. OnPassive provides a comprehensive suite of tools that empower businesses to scale and achieve unprecedented success. It levels the playing field, making AI technology accessible to businesses of all sizes. Even small businesses can harness AI to compete with larger corporations, fostering innovation and growth. OnPassive's global reach provides access to a vast customer base, enabling businesses to expand and tap into new markets. Continuous innovation ensures businesses have access to the latest advancements in AI. Navigating the future with OnPassive. Considerations and call to action. While OnPassive's opportunities are compelling, approach any business venture with careful consideration. Conduct thorough research and understand potential risks and rewards before making financial commitments. Some concerns exist regarding the multi-level marketing structure of OnPassive's affiliate program. Approach any MLM opportunity with caution, research the company, and ensure it aligns with your financial goals. OnPassive's claim of unlimited residual income should be approached with skepticism. Success requires effort and dedication. For those intrigued by OnPassive, gather information, explore the company's website, read reviews, and reach out to representatives. OnPassive's innovative technology, comprehensive tools, and global reach make it a significant player in the digital landscape. For more information about OnPassive, please go to the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.